is the use of the prototype in JavaScript?
Prototype. Actually, I think we can use it for memory saving and inheritance purpose.
Okay. So if we have some object and if we want to add some property to it, so how we can add it?
In case if we want to add it for the prototype, we can add it to object dot prototype dot whatever we want to add. In case of object dot key equal to value.
Okay. And if I want to delete that, then how can I delete?
Yeah, delete object dot the key.
Okay. And if you have created some copy of the base object and you deleted that copy on the older one, so it will affect to new one?
I didn't get you.
No. Create a one object over there with property A and B.
Oh, okay. You want me to create?
Yes.
Okay. So, const equal to
A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Okay, so you said that I can use x dot c equal to 30 if I want to add c as a 30, correct?
yeah,
And if I want to delete, then I can use x dot b to delete that, correct?
yeah.
Okay, now create another object from your x.
Another object
Create new object.
with other name.
Yes, const y equal to x.
Okay, const y equal to x.
Okay, now if you delete x of a, okay, so and if you try to print y, just write down the code, I will tell you. Delete on next line x dot a.
Yeah, whatever we do for x, it reflects to y also.
Yeah, so that is what I'm asking. So it
Yeah,
will affect or not?
yeah, it will affect because the reference and are the same right here.
And
They're pointing to the
if I
same
don't
object.
want to do that kind of thing, so what I can do? If I don't want
You
to
can
allow
just
user to delete,
okay.
so
You
how?
can simply create a new array using spread, create a new object or array using spread, or you can also give object dot phrase where you don't want to modify the object.
Okay. And what about object dot seal? You might you heard about it?
Object object dot
Seal, SEAL.
no
Okay.
object dot seal.
Yeah. So that is also kind of the thing over there in object to handle such kind of scenario. So you should not be able to delete or add it something. So there is a difference between freeze and seal. Uh,
Okay,
you can read that later.
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So I'm not asking the basic questions like the late, const, where, when we
Yeah,
use
yeah,
it, how we
yeah,
use it, and you might know about the event loop as well. So how it works and all,
yeah,
correct?
yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
one question: if I want to make a deep copy in JavaScript, so how can I do that?
Um, deep copy. I'm not so aware of this concept, shallow and deep copying.
No, this whatever we are talking about right now, X and Y, this is shallow copy, correct? It is affecting your new object as well. If you delete the base object property.
Okay,
So this is your shallow copy. Okay.
okay,
But if
okay,
you want to create a separate copy from your base object, so what we have to use? So it should not affect your new object if you delete anything from the base object.
okay. Yeah, using spread we can do that.
See, spread works for a single level of the data. Okay. When you comes to the nested level of the data, Spread also
Mm-hmm.
copies the reference. Suppose now you have X, do one thing. Create after B, create C. No, no, no. Line number 14. After 14, create
Okay.
create address. Address. Address.
C.
No. Copy C, not the C. Create address object over there. Inside that, put city and state.
Address object.
No, I meant to say after line number B,
Line
create a nested
number B.
object
Okay.
inside it. So yeah, address
Address
over there.
object. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Address.
And yeah, pass city and city only. That's it. City anything.
Okay.
Pass the any name over there. Okay. Pass any name over
Okay.
there. Okay. So it should be in single quote. It is not the variable. Okay. Uh, Now make a deep copy of this. How you will do the deep copy?
Okay. Copy.
You said that we use the spread operator to create a deep copy, correct?
Yeah.
So how we can do that?
Um, in this comes to set equal to.
Okay.
Okay.
Remove line number 20 now. Remove that line. Okay. Remove it. Okay. Now, yeah. Go ahead and print what you want to print. Run that code. Okay. So you got address, city, and your AB, correct?
Yeah.
Now, if you change X of address dot city equal to Bangalore, change it. Line number
Okay.
after line number 21, change it.
X dot
Dot address dot city
address dot set.
equal to, give it any name.
Okay.
Now tell me what it will print now. If I print full set, so this will create a deep copy. It will print Hyderabad only, or it will print Bangalore now. That was the question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, run the
It
code.
will print Hyderabad. Oh, thank you.
So why it is printing Bangalore now? Even if you are creating a spread operator, if you are using the spread operator, still it is printing Bangalore.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So did you get the point? If you have the single level of the data in the base object, so it will work as a deep copy. But if you have
Mm-hmm.
the nested level of the data in the base, it will behave as a your shallow copy. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the one question I wanted to ask you about. Okay. And read about the deep copy. How can we create the deep copy? So this is the one way, but we can use structural clone is there. I have added the few days back the post also in the Instagram about it.
Yeah. 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 I remember.
That was the one way to use it.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so we'll move to React now.
Hmm. Yeah.
Uh,